Hello, my name is Christine Spagio, Senior Marketing Operations Consultant with Atumos, and today I'll be discussing three key features of HubSpot's Marketing Hub for you to consider when thinking about adopting HubSpot as your tool within your tech stack. So first up, let's chat about how HubSpot syncs with Salesforce CRM. So a few things to call out here is that the integration with Salesforce starts and stops with HubSpot, meaning you have lots of control over the way you configure your sync. Is it one-to-one? Are you going to use an inclusion list, etc.? And then for each of your objects, you have the ability to set property mappings with specific rules set for those custom mappings as well. Is it a two-way? Are you going to prefer Salesforce? And I just call this out because as an admin of your HubSpot instance, this allows you to start at one place and then grow as your business scales and just provides more flexibility. The second item to call out is every HubSpot Marketing Hub user, when logging in, will have what they call their default lifecycle stages, as well as scoring properties. And I call this out because this is just a great way for you to start in tracking how contact records are moving through your sales funnel. But I also want to highlight that if these default lifecycle stages don't fit your sales stages, quite well, that's totally fine. You have the option to customize. So I just think it's a great feature to call out that there's the ability to start somewhere, but also customize as your, needs and tracking becomes, more complex and the default model just won't work. From a scoring property perspective, you'll be able to set filters for positive and negative scoring right off the bat. So again, you can start somewhere and then scale. And again, if the defaults don't work, you have the ability to create custom scoring properties and some really cool calculation properties to, better qualify your database. The third thing to call out is just how HubSpot treats its contractual limit, right, of database records. So as a HubSpot client, you will be billed against your marketing contacts within your database, meaning you could have tons of records in your database, but as long as they're not set to marketing contact, you won't be billed for those. And so if you've got a good systematic process in place to manage this, you can stay, at or around your contractual limit and, not incur a lot of cost on top of, growing your database with records that aren't really prospects, for example. So these are three things just to consider when you're looking at the HubSpot Marketing Hub. But yeah, happy learning and hope this helps. Thanks.